How to fix 5G Wi-Fi not showing on your Windows 11. Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be talking about some of the solutions that you can try to fix this issue. To get started with, method 1 would be updating your Wi-Fi drivers. For this, open Device Manager. Press in Windows plus X and it will open the side panel. From there, select on Device Manager. After that, you need to update the driver. For this, expand Network Adapters category. Under it, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Once you have selected an update driver, choose on the first option which says Search automatically for the driver software update. Likewise, you can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Once this is done, restart your computer and check if the 5G Wi-Fi network appears. If this does not work, let's move on to the method 2. For this, we have to adjust Wi-Fi adapter settings. This time on Device Manager, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and go to Properties. Go to Advanced tab and look for settings related to 5G or dual band functionality. Make sure to set the settings to Auto or 5G instead of 2.4G or dual band. Once that is done, make sure to save the changes and restart your computer. However, if this does not work, let's move on to method 3. For this, you have to enable 5G in router settings. First of all, you need to open any of your browser and enter your router's IP address. This is usually found on the user manual. Log in into the administrative page and then navigate to wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings. Find an option which says Activate 5G, which may be labeled as wireless mode or frequency band. Enable 5G and save the settings. However, if you cannot find the settings or is unable to, you can directly connect or contact to your ISP. Method 4 would be disabling the power saving for Wi-Fi adapters. For this as well, open your Device Manager and then right-click on Network Adapters. Then go to Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device. Click on OK and restart your computer. However, if none of this works, you might have to reset your network settings. For this, press in Windows plus I to open the Settings application. Once the settings is opened on your screen, from the left side panel, go to Network and Internet Connection. After that, you can check for the status and scroll down to Network Reset option. Follow the on-screen instructions, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.